Social interaction, all the world's a stage. We will discuss three important processes involved in social interaction: social context, perception of others, and social attributions. We first begin by defining some important key terms before going further, such as sociological perspective, which is the process of understanding and explaining how individuals and groups interact within society. Social interaction is interpersonal relationships between two or more persons. And social context is the environment of the interaction. Ethnomethodology is introduced as the study of people's methods as it relates to the formation of society. A key concept here is breaching, which means purposely violating social norms to examine individuals' reactions. Irving Goffman's theory of dramaturgy is highlighted, suggesting that we all act in daily life, managing impressions based on our social roles. Face work relates the effort exerted by both actors during an interaction to get through unanticipated events without casting an undesirable light or disrupting the relationship of the participants. People navigate life as performers, adjusting their roles and behaviors to suit different contexts. Social exchange theory is next, explaining the process by which social decisions are based on perceived costs and benefits. This theory allows us to understand why relationships begin or end. In essence, they continue if the benefits outweigh the costs. We then shift our focus to social status, which is an individual's position or rank within a social system. Examples of ascribed status can include a promotion at your job or receiving an educational diploma. Ascribed status is a position within a social system that is assigned based upon characteristics such as sex, race, or economics. Achieved status is a position within a social system that is gained through merit. Our social status influences how we interact, with people often modifying their behavior based on the perceived status of others. And master status is the social position central to your identity. Social roles, which are expected patterns of behaviors for specific statuses and positions. Both can lead to complications in social interactions. Are examined alongside role strain, incompatible demands and expectations within a single role, and role conflict, competing demands resulting from two or more statuses. Additionally, role exit is the process of disengaging from significant roles. The process can be described in stages, from doubting role commitments, seeking alternatives, reaching a turning point, and creating an X role. Social institutions frameworks in society that guide behavior, such as families, governments, and educational systems. When these institutions fail to function properly, it creates social problems. Social groups, defined by shared connections, are categorized into primary groups, small-scale, intimate face-to-face long-lasting associations, and secondary groups, large-scale, impersonal, task-focused, and time-limited associations. In these groups, the emotional aspects of social interaction, introducing feeling rules, which is norms about which emotions are appropriate to display in a given situation. An emotion labor, a worker's regulation of personal feelings in an effort to set an emotional tone for customers in a business setting, both referring to managing one's emotions for external audiences, often leading to emotional exhaustion. Finally, we cannot forget how technology affects social interaction. Technology serves as a tool for enhancing communication, although its acceptance can vary, particularly with human-like machines. The Thomas theorem illustrates how perceptions shape our social reality, emphasizing that social networks, despite their virtual nature, facilitate real interpersonal relationships.